All right, good morning, boys, and what is up? Today is Monday, June 1st, first day of the month. This is what I planned on taking. Did I take this trade? No. Why? Look what my fucking TradeAvate says. Well, okay, maybe you guys might not know what that means, but that's just delayed data. Do I have delayed data? No, prop firms supply you with data. But this wasn't just on Lucid. I tried, these are my Lucid Max accounts. I'm off the program, the wait program. So now I just bought 5 Lucid Max accounts. So hopefully you guys will see me taking payouts with Lucid again. But long story short, I logged into my Take Profit Trader, my Alpha, and my Lucid accounts with TradeAvate, and all of them said they had delayed data. That means that TradeAvate, some fuck shit is going on with TradeAvate. So nothing we can do there. Took a trade last night to make $7,500 on my top steps. Hopefully payouts in the next 2 days. On top of that, there was a bug with TradeAvate last night. I'm gonna show you the trades I took and how I lost $20,000 worth of profits on those. The reason I'm not showing you guys that is because it's gonna be reinstated. Did this hit take profit? Like, no, it didn't. That's ridiculous. Imagine being in the short. That's so bad. Oh my god. There's no way we just edged that. That's insane. I forward tested this and I'll explain why in a minute. But these are my draws. And yeah, still has draws below it as well. I'll explain everything in a minute. But long story short, we opened up over here. Where do we open? Right here, right? I was bullish these highs. All I need is 4 points, right? Price opens low and then starts pushing higher. I get filled right here. I get filled here for longs. Price goes up 25 points. 25 points. I'm in 4 minis to make $300. I've made a video about this, about how I go for winning days with certain prop firms. With prop firms, I value, if I'm trading 150Ks, I won't full port for winning days. But if I'm trading 50Ks, I hate 50Ks, I will go in heavy risk to make those $300, because if I blow them, I don't give a shit, right? If I blow 150Ks, it's a little bit upsetting and it hurts the bank more, right? Long story short, I do this all the time in Asia just for like little winning days. Very high win rate. I go in here with high momentum to the upside. I go long here with 4 minis. Guess how many points I need to make $300 with 4 minis, right? I believe it's literally 5 points. Let's see if I'm wrong. 300 divided by 20 divided by 4. 3.75 points. I need 3.75 points. This is what I need to make money. Price rips to 25 points and my P&L says negative $3,500. So I'm here like, what the fuck, right? So I'm like, all right, maybe I just got a bad fill, which a bad fill, by the way, do you understand how bad I would have to get filled if I went long here? To be down $3,000, I would have to have gotten filled up here. So what TradeAvate thought was I went long here and I got filled up here in longs. And as price continued going higher, my P&L just didn't move. It was fixated at 3,000 or negative $3,500. So I closed my position. Now I close my position and it fills my sell order down here, right? So I lost. Oh, I think we're going down now again. I want to see this play out just to feel right mentally. All right, so we then get filled down here and I lost $6,000 on a 25-point winning long. Ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. Turns out TradeAvate had an outage and it happened to everyone. If it happened to you, every prop firm should be reinstating your profits. So I don't think that they'll count your take profit as getting hit, but what they will do is reinstate everything that was lost. So in theory, let's delete the trade that happened. So that trade is going to get deleted, and thank God. But all right, let's get into this trade, right? So this is the other trade that I took. Grab OT of the range. We had a 15-minute gap. Price comes down, respects 0.618 beautifully. We then get a nice displacement to the upside. I enter long there. Stops here. Take profit up here. or wait, my fill was a little bit worse, but this was the trade. Beautiful trade. Simple long for a 1 to 1.3. I'm very happy with this trade, right? Not much about it. Pretty simple, 15-minute gap, OT of the range with a clear draw above us. Same trade, I just took an AM session, by the way, right? Hourly is extremely bearish. We have previous day low on Nasdaq, which previous day low on ES is an unfilled gap. We have this 15-minute gap here in this 15-minute order block. Price taps into it, right? Is this OTE? No, it's not OTE. We actually tapped into OTE. And we didn't respect it. We respected it, and then we just ripped to the upside. I guess we respected 0.79, but I'm not big on that one anyways. Tapped into this 15-minute gap, 15-minute order block, started pushing lower. You could enter off this 5-minute, right? The 5-minute was going lower. The 3-minute, I like the 3-minute change in state and delivery. That's what the forward test was off. And then very clean 1-minute delivery to the downside. This just doesn't look like a bullish trade at this point. You enter in short there with your stops above the high of the manipulation that went lower, and TP at this low right here, right? Also, so much low resistance liquidity here to be taken out, right? We look at ES. ES also has that to be taken out, but just hasn't moved much, right? So hopefully this is the leg that delivers lower. If you guys have any questions, I will be here to answer. By the way, I'm hosting a giveaway with Lucid Trading. To enter, you have to use code Ale at checkout and send proof to the free Discord that you purchased an account, and I will enter you in a raffle to win a either Flex or Pro account. You guys get to pick. So I hope you guys all have a blessed day, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.